An organization's strategy is the general direction set and the various components to achieve the desired future state. It provides the bridge to close the gap of where we are and where we want to be. At the end of this topic, you should be able to explain how strategic planning involves alignment of the organization's goals and strategies for long-term survival and growth. There are three tiers of management: the top or strategic level, the tactical or middle level, and finally the operational or frontline level. Strategic planning is the top level management's direction for an organization. There are major targets that relate to the long-term success, value, and growth of the organization. Tactical planning translates broad strategic goals and plans into more specific goals and plans. They are also allocated as responsibilities to specific departments such as human resources or marketing. An example: when introducing a new product, this might require coordination between the design department and manufacturing department to determine the capabilities of an organization has in creating the new product. Operational planning is the specific procedures and processes needed by employees to put strategic plans in motion. These can be routine tasks, scheduling, and training needed for the work at a day-to-day level. Strategic goals are long-term. These are major targets that relate to the long-term success, value, and growth of the organization. Examples of strategic goals relate to revenue, profitability, and market share, return of investment, productivity, quality and quantity, and contribution to society. Strategic goals reflect increased effectiveness and efficiency of an organization. These goals are usually set in such a way as to mutually reinforcing, such as one goal promoting another or vice versa. For example, to become the market leader, an organization must grow its market share. One way of introducing new products is by acquiring or merging with a firm that has competitive advantage, producing a differentiated product. Goals should reflect both increases in efficiency and effectiveness. These can be mutually supportive goals for an organization as a whole, because lowering costs through efficiency and increasing profits by effectively producing more goods with the same resources. Strategic plans provide overall directions with little detail and a long time scale. Tactical plans carried out by middle managers have a shorter time scale and higher level of detail. Operational plans are implemented by frontline managers with a high level of specificity and detail, as well as the shortest time scale. It is important to align all three levels of planning and goals so they are consistent, supportive, and coherent to employees and stakeholders. They should be focused towards achieving a common purpose and direction. Whole Foods, an upscale grocery retailer in the United States, does this by ensuring highest quality products are sold, a strategic goal, through lower level goals of ensuring freshness, taste, and presentation to meet strict standards at an operational level, so that stores reflect this environment of quality at their tactical level. To align goals, managers may use a strategy map as a tool to communicate goals at all levels to employees. An example of the strategy map is the balanced scorecard. The four elements are mapped onto the four levels of the scorecard. The first level reflects the human capital and how skills and training of the people can be improved through learning and goals. These improvements translate to internal goals, such as innovation and operational improvements, which represent effectiveness of the internal processes. Internal process changes are reflected in changing values for its clients through customer goals. Finally, financial goals arise due to improvements in the market, better rapport with customers, market leadership, and ultimately productivity growth. These all generate long-term value for the firm.